Hi, just a very quick video to update you a few things. So first, the new syllabus exam is coming, and so I guess if you're taking an exam, you might be struggling with having many of the resources online that are only for the old syllabus. And so in the coming two weeks, I'll continue to make more resources for you guys. And here is an updated terminology list for the IB physics. And so I make it such a way that is following the topic. So if you look at the left hand side, you can see it's from A1, A2, and all the way to A5, and then B1 and onwards. Okay, so it includes nearly everything you need for the new IB physics syllabus. At the same time, because some of you might be only SL, and some of you are HL, and so you can see I already color coded it, and so it should be very self-explanatory. The definition I have checked once, okay, but then of course it might have any mistake or any issue, and so I would like to invite all of you who are now watching this video. Of course, the link I will share it in my description box, and so you can access to it. When you look at this file, it's already in this format, and what you can do is, if you find there's any issue, if you think, for example, the wording can be improved, or if you think that there's any terms that I'm missing, feel free to add a comment, okay, and so I can then be updating it. So this will be a live document that we continue to look at, and it will be helpful for everyone.
Together, strong.
On the side note, I also imported the current version to Quizlet. So if you click into the link here, it will lead you to this Quizlet website. And so I think many of you might be very familiar already with Quizlet. And so this basically is a flashcard website. So I basically imported all these terminology. I think there are 198 terminologies. My point trying to make, of course, going back to a bit earlier, is the terminology itself, not all of them are, you expect to memorize all of the terminologies. But for some of them, for example, Newton's first law, second law, third law, Faraday's law, conservation of energy, for example, these are the terminologies that there are times, if you have tried past paper before, that you might be asked to simply recite the definition. At the same time, for those who might just have a final wrap up of the whole syllabus, it might be good if you just go through all the terms again. Okay, so that will make sure that you don't miss anything. But of course, I don't think they will ask you, oh, what is projectile motion, and then you are going to cite this sentence. Okay, but just in case, if you find there's anything that you find unfamiliar, then you may want to look into it. Okay, as for the Quizlet, yeah, so flashcard, and you can just explore it yourself. There are also different mode for like learning, and then you can make it a test. I think I have to log in. There will be like different game mode you can do. So you just go with the way you like. If not, you can just always do like a digital version of it. And also a bit of forecast of what is going to be updated for my channel soon is, if you didn't know, I'll be making the mind map for the syllabus. So again, you can sort of again understand how the different concepts are linked together, and also again not going to be missing any of those concepts. So 3 already done. Okay, I will be making the one for topic B and E soon. And so that should be it. Okay, so if you haven't watched that, then make sure you go and check it out. If you find it useful, then make sure you subscribe, so then when I upload it, then you can see the latest update.